Alright, so WWDC just ended and I'm here talking about iOS 17. Let's get right in today's video. My name is Jay, you are watching Tech Hyde and we are so close to 10k. It would be amazing if you guys can hit that subscribe button before we get right into today's video. And now that you've done that, let's get right into today's video, shall we? So, talking about iOS 17, iOS 17 is here and we are going to talk about why it was so boring. I know it was boring, right? I know. It was horrible. Let's talk about new features of iOS 17. The new features of iOS 17 is the one that I love and that you should be excited about is number one thing is the lock screen. The lock screen personalization, it is just getting to a whole different level. If you watch the iPad part as well, we saw that iPads are able to change their font size and all those things. Guess what? You can do the same things on your iPhone as well. You can change the font size of the time and the date. You can change the font size of those. That's really cool. I always thought the font was a bit weird and the size was a bit too large for me. You can put your Memojis on your lock screen. That is amazing and they look just amazing. Then the other thing is in the messages. You can just use any of your videos to send animated GIFs, stickers. You can convert those into stickers. You can convert your pet into sticker. You can convert Craig Federighi into sticker and just use it as a sticker and send it to your friends. Craig Federighi looks amazing, isn't it? And of course, I'm really excited to send Craig Federighi on my group chat. That was really funny, Craig. Craig doing that basketball thing in the WWDC, if you saw, that was just insane.
How cool is that?
Anyways, then the next thing, keyboards. Yes, keyboards and autocorrection, they are getting at a whole another level. Autocorrection is just improved. They are just amazing and it just gets as good as it can get. It is the best, and as they showed in the presentation that while you are typing on your keyboard, it will suggest you the keyboard suggestion while you are typing on the autocorrecting. I will be able to demonstrate it in the future when I will be installing it on my devices. So that would be really amazing. Hit that subscribe button right now if you haven't already. But that feature is also really amazing. The keyboard got a really great upgrade as well. Then dictation also got a really great upgrade, and dictation was already the best on iPhones. After Google Pixels, dictation was already amazing on iPhone, and this just improves it. iOS 17 improves it to a whole another level. Then there is another thing that is my favorite, which is standby mode. Standby mode is basically your Apple Watch standby mode on your iPhones. I'm not really sure about it right now, but as Craig said, that we will have those iOS features on our iPad and we will have some of the iPad features on our MacBook. So maybe we will also have the standby thing on our MacBooks, because standby on MacBook would look amazing. As you can see on the screen, the standby looks amazing, and I don't know about you guys. Let me know down in comments below, but standby is probably one of my favorite features unveiled on iOS 17. Then the other thing is basically what standby does is it is just your Apple Watch standby thing. If you own an Apple Watch, you know what I'm talking about. It is just a standby always on display that is on your iPhone. When you have it on MagSafe or somewhere, you can just turn it on. The basic idea of this is to just show you the time and the date when you just look at your device, when you just do a glance on your device, and it will just show you the basic information including the time, date and all. Though it is better on the Pro iPhones, the iPhone 14 Pros, because it has always on display, but devices with no always on display, in short any devices except the iPhone 14 Pros, this is nothing but a gimmick. But yeah, it is a really amazing feature and I really love it. I will give credit for that. It is an amazing feature for sure. Then the next thing is name drop. You can just go nearby your friend's device using AirDrop. You can just bring both of the devices close and you can share all the contact information just by bringing them close. If you have the contact information open on your device, just bring the other iPhone close and bam, you're good to go. That's an amazing feature, not gonna lie, because I have been in some situations where I want the contact information of the other dude or just some other client, I have to just go in the contact and then send the contact number as airdrop. Then I have to send my email, and this will just send your every business profile. You have to just add it on the airdrop section somewhere. You will have to see that in the future, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Just feed your business profile or anything that you want to share. Just bring the other device close and that's it. You are good to go. That's a really amazing feature. Then another neat feature is that you can have wallpaper when you call someone. Like if I'm calling someone, I can have the background wallpaper. Okay, I got it. Okay. This has been on Android for years. I mean, for over a decade at this point, but I like this. There is no denying that I don't like it, and in Apple's cheap ways, that I should say, is that Apple just did it better. Well, that's pretty much it for today's quick little episode. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. My name is Jay, aka Tech Hype. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the very next episode. Peace out.